Nick, use your space, okay? Use your space. Bolts, play fast, let's go. Quick, boys, quick. There it is. Nice. Get it there, Nicholas. Step up, Landon, Timothy. Nice, go Nick, you got space. Spread out.
William, push up.
Oh, that's a foul.
Push up,
It's all right, keep playing, Nick, keep playing.
Push up, William, push up.
Come on, Nick, play a little quicker, buddy. Play a little quicker.
Right there. Just spread out for a pass.
A little quicker, Nicholas, with your feet, okay? Black ball. Defense,
Right,
defense.
Feet down.
Hey, just a little quicker, okay?
Move around, Krause. Arthur, move around. Liam. Stay on your hands.
Nobody behind you, Landon.
Back off the line, man.
Guys, just wait for it, I guess. I don't know. There it is.
Go, Arthur. Come on back, quick.
Push, CJ. You got to cut it.
Back in front, Caleb.
Oh, good shot, boy. Hey, guys, attack right away. Is that all right?
We'll be going.
Attack right away, boys. Go, Cam. Nicholas in the middle. Finish. Faster, Nick. Faster. There you go. Go, Nicholas. Go, Nicholas. Go. Go, CJ. Go. Go, Nick. Go.
Everyone got it?
Come on, Nick. Faster, buddy. Faster, Bolts, faster! Cross, CJ! Corner, Nick, corner! Other side, Nick, other side! Cam, wait right here! Cam, get into it. Go ahead, Cam. Cross. Go.
All right, sit down, guys.
Guys, keep the ball from the side.
Soon as they take it, go purple.
Still in, boys. Play.
Good job.
Ball camp.
Nice early stop.
Go, Nick.
Back up, Pearl. Back up. Behind you, Noah. Back up.
Step up, boys. Step up, Landon. Go, CJ, go. Nicholas, cut.
Get him. Good try.
Turn. Nice try.
Get open, Purple. Get open.
I got you. It's black. It's blue.
Set it down. Just set it down.
Behind you, Noah. Turn.
Go, Nick, go. Hey, CJ, go. Nicholas, cut. Nick, distinct speed, okay? Look at Nicholas, CJ. Look at Nicholas. Go ahead, CJ. Go again.
Go after it.
There you go.
To the goal. Let Cam. There it is, Nick. Hustle, Cam. Hustle. Push, Landon.
Keep going.
Nice job, Alex. Hey, Nick, just think speed, okay? Think speed. Alex, go to Landon. Out wide.
Go, Arthur.
Go ahead, Landon.
Come on. Focus up. Ball's in. Go.
Go, Cam. Go. Spread out, Nick. Spread out. Cut it in the middle.
Come on, dude.
Nice. Get it, boys. Spread out. Spread out, Cam. Cam, give him space.
Be aggressive.
Nice, Landon. Cam, you got Nicholas in the middle. Oh, that was nasty. Way to go, boys. That was a good pass, Cam. Celebrate. That Cam gave you that assist. Cam, that was a sick pass, dude. Way to go.
Back up, Purple. Turn around. Turn around.
Did it work? No? I'll fix it. I got it.
Liam, move toward for a pass.
Last time we played.
Get it. Go after it. Go, Noah.
Spread out, Nicholas. Spread out.
Come on, Caleb.
Pull back. Quick.
No, we lost against them last time, guys. I don't know by how much we lost.
Nice, boys. Nick, think speed, okay? Give him space, Nick. Give him space.
Get out, Purple.
It didn't work?
Turn around.
Go, Nick.
Good
Look
job,
at Cam.
Stop. Again, no.
Nick, look at Cam.
Good job,
Go.
guys.
Keep going after
Eyes
it.
up, man. It worked? Hey, Landon, Timothy, get ready. You're about to come up, okay? Get ready, Cam. Cross. There it is. Nice, boys. Nice. Keep it going. Hey, boys, get ready. Okay. Corner, Cam, take the corner.
Good job, Noah. Hey, good hustle, Noah. Good hustle back. Good job, buddy.
Protect the goal.
There it is, Nick. Bring it down. Spread out, boys. Communicate.
Come to the far side of the post in case they get open.
Communicate, boys.
Go, Jackson, back. Liam, go. Liam, back up. Give him someone to pass it.
Boys, just communicate out there, okay?
Nicely done.
Nice, Timothy. Go, Nicholas, get out. Look at Cam in the middle. Cam in the middle. Ah, you tried it.
Spread out, Kaden.
Nice. Go, Nick.
There you go. Spread out.
Cut.
Yeah, we need a bigger
CJ
kick.
and Nick, what are you doing there?
Go.
Cut to the middle.
There you go. Nice.
Caleb, get back in. Caleb, quickly. Liam, up the line. Go. Good. Gotta be over the head.
Sub. CJ, Nicholas, come on out. Timothy, come on out.
I know you're trying to go fast, but throw it over your head.
No.
Guys, hang
No,
on.
we're not chasing each other on the sideline. We're not doing this every game.
Left wing. Blue throw, Landon.
Refs up.
You can sub.
Arthur.
Down the sideline. Go. Wait for it.
Arthur.
Landon. It's our ball. Hey, throw it to the goal.
Back up, Purple.
Wait right there. Wait.
Back up, Purple.
Can you reach? That's right. Just get it. Go get it. Go. Blue throw, Cam. Pick it up quick, Cam. Go. Go.
Drop back.
Caleb.
Got the ground guy.
Caleb. Drop back.
Wait, let the referee make the call, guys.
You just missed a one?
Take it to the goal. Go ahead.
Kaden.
Hey, land Cam and Land. Hey, Cameron.
Jackson,
Cameron,
go
wait for
further
the
back.
rebound in case somebody misses it. Go ahead.
Good. Watch it. You ready to charge in on it?
Nice. Go.
Don't get further ball.
Spread out, boys. Step up, Eli. Caden, you're dropping back. Not up. There you go, Caden. Nice. Help him out. You got a cutter.
Caleb, get in front of it.
Spread out, Damien.
Get it, Jackson.
Nice try, Cam. Nice try. Hey, good look on the pass. Good job, boys. Hey, boys, make sure we just communicate, okay?
When that happens, be a little further
Go. Damien. Come on, Landon. Hustle. Good job, boys. Keep the hustle. Landon, you're waiting, buddy.
Fight through the ball. Let's go.
Landon, you're just waiting, baby. Go get the ball. The ball belongs to you.
Go,
Okay?
Cole,
Good
go,
job, though, guys. Good job. Yeah. Hey, boys, bring it in.
Good job, Paul.
Guys, there's gotta be one more down, one back. Daniel, get up there.
Yeah, hey, whoever was just out there, stay out there. All right? Actually, Cam. I'm going to see you for 2 minutes, okay? Yeah, you're left wing over there. But hey, I need you to stop. Hey, I need you to be more aggressive. No, you're left wing. Okay, go all the way over there. Damien, you're right wing. Center mid right now, okay? You're going us to the back, okay? No, you guys are sitting right now. Take a break. That's what you're doing. Hey, just Kaden, just don't wait back there, okay?
No, you forgot my phone.
First to the ball.
Where's the ball?
At the half.
He's going, he's going.
No, Arthur. Their kick. Stay here at the half.
Is it a goal kick or? Okay, goal kick. Hey, go, Eli. Why not right here?
Arthur.
When he kicks, they go.
As soon as they touch it,
Go after it, Cole. Get there, buddy.
Eli, spread out to the side. There you go.
Go, Arthur, get it.
Up the field, Eli.
Hustle.
Go ahead, Damien, go. Look, cross to the middle. Damien, cross to the middle. They got pairs in the middle. Eyes up, Damien.
Put your foot on it, curl up, let's go.
Landon, you're waiting. Get in there.
Arthur, control.
Go, Kaden, go.
Come on, Arthur. Dribble the
Nice.
ball. Up.
Get in there, Kaden. You're dropping back. Push. Go, Timothy, go.
Caleb, come on, put your foot on it, let's go.
Nice, Kaden, nice.
Oh, you Colton, good job, buddy.
Defense.
Quick. All right, Ethan, move go. Arthur, be ready, Arthur, move up, Arthur. Arthur, get in there.
Alex, go.
All right, turn and watch. Watch. Come on, William.
She's the ref.
Nice, that'll be ours. Hey, Alex.
We're trying to hustle the ref.
This side. Spread a little bit. Watch
Go.
Go after it. They're going to beat you to it if you don't. You got to go after it.
Guys, you gotta turn quick. It's gotta be quick.
Hard, down the sideline. Go, Timothy, go. Get there, Damien. Push.
Hey, you guys got to go to the ball.
They're on the ball quick.
Turn around.
Get there, Landon. That's your ball,
Big
Landon.
kick, Colton.
Spread out. Work together. Ethan, watch. Ethan, focus.
Nice.
Bo, are you okay?
Alex, you go to Eli again. Eli, same thing. Damien, why
Ethan,
do you
focus.
here?
Ethan, ball.
Eli, step into it, buddy.
Ethan,
Step
ball.
Take a dribble, bud.
Come on, Arthur. Shoot.
Eli, take a dribble.
Hey, good job, man. But hey, dribble the ball 1 or 2 and then rip.
Focus. Arthur, watch. Go.
We're not going to do one. We're not going to do a sub yet. Hold on.
There you go. Go, Damien.
Again,
Go,
Caleb,
Timothy.
don't stop, Caleb.
Cross, Landon.
Yes.
I didn't say it. I want you guys to keep it up.
Nice, Landon, nice.
Everyone's going to stand up.
Get ready, you guys are coming in this way. Ball.
I'm probably...
Sub. Eli, Kaden, Landon, come on out. Go.
At halftime.
Damien, drop back to center back. Hustle, boys, hustle.
Right now.
Timothy, drop back, center back.
Okay.
Damien, you and Timothy in the back, okay?
I think Benson's going to be okay. All right, everyone who's in is going back in.
What's this thing doing? Go ahead, defense, boys. Play quick, Nick. Use your speed, all right? You got speed?
Hey, on goal,
What's this thing doing here?
here?
Go ahead, Nicholas. Nice.
Out again, Leah.
There you go. Spread open for him, boys. Spread open for him. Cut, Nick! Do something. You're just standing there. Hey, we gotta move. Create space, okay? This thing is not.
Arthur, eye on the ball.
Puts it up there. Follow it.
Coach, I'm not allowed to
Go, Arthur. Go, Arthur, go!
You gotta sub him in like
Go, Cam. Go, Nick. Go.
someone.
Good, again. Nice. Get up there, Arthur.
Go to the ball.
Again,
Go.
Liam, again.
Get it out. Landon, get it out quick.
Caleb, go.
Good job. Up. Go. Get that Cole.
Good, nice point.
Nice cut, bud.
Go
ahead, Nick.
Down the line. Go.
William, stay focused.
Come on, Bo.
Good throw.
Right, William. Put it out.
Go over the.
Good job. Go, Cole. Go.
Nice, CJ. There it is.
Get there, buddy. Get there. Go up, Noah. Go. Turn it, go.
Go, keep going.
Fight, CJ. Fight.
Good try.
Nice job, CJ. Cut for him, boys. Cut for him.
Go after the ball. Go after the ball.
Go, Caleb. Pass.
Go after it.
Good job, boys. Good job. Good job, Nicholas.
Purple throw, down line.
Go to the ball.
Space, CJ. Space. Spread out, Nicholas and Cam.
Down line, buddy. Down line, I know. Down line. No.
Take it, Chris.
Yeah, CJ! Way to go, boy. Hey, way to go, guys.
Chris, good try, right idea. Hey guys, remember, don't fight.
Good fight, boys. Physicality. Sorry. Back up, Cam.
Hey, reset. Let's go.
Hey, Nicholas, full speed, all right? Full speed.
Get it.
Go after the ball.
Go.
Watch
Let
out.
it go.
Let it go. Let it go. There you go. Go kick again.
Keep going.
My sister's 10 years old and she doesn't even have a phone.
Nice, Timothy, nice.
Shoot, Arthur.
Get it out of there, boys.
I have a
Nice, Nicholas.
Chris,
Get it out. Go.
I have a really old phone.
Spread out. Big kick, Colton.
Well done.
I have a really old.
Liam, drop back here. Drop back here.
I have a Nintendo.
We're going to it, guys.
I can't say.
Go, William. Go to the
I
ball.
have a
William,
Nintendo.
let's go.
Nicholas, use your space, okay?
Right, don't give them time to set up.
Use your space, okay? Go to CJ. Go.
Chris, stay on your side.
Turn and watch. Turn, go.
Go, buddy. Go.
Colton, big kick.
Your side, get it, Chris.
Turn it, go. Turn it. Up. There you go. Good job. Again.
Spread out for him, Nicholas.
Same
Spread
team,
out.
boys.
Good.
Defense.
Quick. Let's go. Go.
Nicholas, cut.
Back, take it.
Down the sideline, Cam.
Oh, Chris is there, okay.
Turn, CJ. Nicholas, get in there and help, buddy.
Kai.
Drop.
Kai.
Oh, nice cut,
Chris.
CJ.
Chris,
Good
go
try,
to the far
bud.
side, Far side.
Good
Yes.
try. Hey.
Arthur, William.
Hey, JJ, further back.
Cole, look behind
You got it. You can run in when it's kicked.
Hey, full speed, Nick. Full speed.
Yeah.
Go get it, Cam. Go get it, Nick. There it is.
I was on lock. Daniel, come on, real quick. Benson.
That's yours,
Come
Nicholas.
in. Benson. In.
Spread out, Nick. Spread out. Hunt it, boys. All right. Good job. Hey, Cam, that was you right there. That was you. Good job. Hey, good job.
Don't let up. Go, Noah.
Come on out. Go. Nicholas, come on out. Hey, guys, Caden's up top, okay? Cam, send him in. Caden, right wing on this side. Yeah, there you go. Let's go. Go get it, Caden. Go score some goals, all right? Nice job, Nick.
Why did I drink water this morning? Now running and I was
Nice job, Landon.
Let's go,
Help
Leo.
him out, Cam. Nice move, CJ.
Yes, good job.
Come here, Caden. Hey, down the line is CJ, okay? Yeah, just down the line. Go quick. Go. Hurry up, buddy. Go quick, go. Hey, down the line, right? You gotta throw it in. Right? Just go down the line. There you go. Look, down that way. To Cam. Go, Cam. It's all right. Go ahead. There you go. Nice. Good toss. Get in there, buddy. Get in there. There you go, Kaden. Nice. Nice. Get in there. Nice job, Landon. Nice job, Landon. All right. Bring it in, guys. Bring it in. Good job, boy. Good job. Hey. Yes. Good job, huh? Yeah, take this out. Timothy, you want to play ball? Want to try it? All right, let's do it. Here you go. You got it. You got this, right? Hey, boys, have a seat. Boys, have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat, boys. Have a seat. Hey. Nice. Great. Yeah, hey. Three. Yeah, three. You got one, Nick's got two, I think, right? Damn.
Do not watch it!
Hey, good job, Molly. Good job. Great hustle. Okay, I love it. Yeah.
Hey, you good, Chris? You okay
Hey,
now?
you guys did great. Guys, keep up the intensity, okay? Keep up the intensity. Hey, here's what I want to do for this one right here, all right? I want to do Eli and Alex up front.
Bo, you okay?
And I want Cameron and Go. Hey, we're going flip.
We're going to do Benson as goalie. You're going to be in.
Hey, look.
Guys, pay attention. Turn
Hey,
around.
Kaden, right here. Left wing. Hey, right wing down there, okay? Okay, here, you're left wing.
Good job.
This way now.
Good job, Colin.
Hey, Cam. I want you to move up, though. All right? That's fine. Hey,
Turn it quick.
Go. Up the field. Up the field.
This way, okay?
Go.
I have a Nintendo Switch, an iPad, and a phone. No.
Come on, boys. Hey, boys, up front. Play fast, all right? Go get a goal. Let's go. Got it? Cam Landon. Hold it down back there, okay? Hey, Nick, CJ, Daniel. Come on, hey, Cam. Take it serious. Play hard, okay? Landon. Come on, Alex. Let's go.
John, focus.
Play it. Go. There you go, Kaden. Go to work. Other way, buddy.
Hey, Brad.
Kaden, we're the other way, bud. This way. Nice job, Eli. Go. Go, Alex.
Get in there.
Nice job, Alex.
Come on, Leo. Fight through the ball.
Nice, Cam. Nice. Nice job, boys.
What are we doing here?
Go, Alex. Go, Kaden. Go get it, buddy. There you go.
Come on, Leo.
Kaden, you gotta want the goal, bud. Go get it. You gotta want it. Hey, Kaden.
Ethan. Keep your hands down, buddy.
Got it? Go get it. What is it?
Nice pull back.
Get it, Bo. Go.
Cam.
Go.
Cam, come take it.
One more time.
Hey, Cam. Come here. Hey, Cam.
Make a wall. Caden, press. Make a wall.
Don't march on each other.
Arthur, you too. Arthur, drop back.
Never mind. Eli.
Arthur, go to the player. Arthur, to the player.
You take it.
No, you need to get down again.
Go.
Good.
Drop back, Cam.
All right, we gotta fence
All right, back to your
inside.
positions. Back to your positions. Watch.
Aiden, come on, baby.
John, watch the game.
Down the line, go.
So we're gonna pull things. You have to stay out for a little bit.
Cam, you gotta want that ball, baby. Come on.
Is this last half?
Nice, Landon, nice.
How many times have we put you down?
Don't run with
One.
Hey, you three boys get ready, okay?
Everybody always on stage.
Well, yeah, we're gonna try to see how that's
There you go, Eli. There you go, Alex. Nice job, Eli.
No, do you want to break?
Get up, Ethan.
Good job, Alex, Eli. Aiden. Good.
Alright, so we got go, pull, and pull in right now.
Nice job, Alex.
Okay?
Yeah, get it. Kaden, it's coming to you, bud. Nice job, Alex. Defense. Hey, you three are
Spread out. Spread out.
Remember, run this way. No, guys, get back here. I know you guys want to play quicker.
In the fourth quarter, you play the top. I got you, coach.
Refs up.
Go to Eli. Eli, cut. Wait, hold it. Sorry. He's got to start. Sorry. Hey, look at Eli. Don't wait.